I think it's time to pick my 3 pumpkins. Pumpkin squash. Because it's really getting cold now. But so far, my tomato is still hanging in there. Still producing. See, we're still getting some tomato fruit. Even though it's cold already. I have quite a few, at least. We'll see how it is. So far, we got the 2 of them. Now we just need the other one. That's a little high. Yeah. How do I do it? Right there. Aya! I got it. Ta-da! Ayan na siya. Okay. Maliliit lang. Pwede na rin pang ulam. We can get some gisa-gisa or gata-gata. Pwede na. See, I just fed my vegetables with coffee grounds. All of them. Well, is it all of them? Almost all of them. But I still have another bucket of coffee ground over there that I'm gonna feed the one that I didn't get to feed. See, all of this. All of that coffee ground. Hopefully, they're gonna be happy. Look at my pretty orange. Look how beautiful the color is already. Ah! My God, so pretty. Just imagine when it is really matured and it's gonna have more orange fruit. Oh, the beauty of nature. You just really have to start it and be patient because it takes a while, a few years at least. This is probably around 5 years already, and that's how much. And this tangerine one is 2 years old, going 3. I lost one. It's supposed to be at least 7 or 8, somewhere out there. But yeah, 2 years old. At least I got fruit, right? Especially next year, we'll see how it is.